4-channel 8000 series RCA interconnect cable. Silver-plated copper conductors provide tight bass response and crystal clear highs. Continuous connection construction, C3 Tech, provides unmatched signal transfer. Locking split-tip connectors allow better signal transfer. No solder joints for constant connection, true channel separation. Top reviews from the United States. No more engine alternator whine. I had the annoying alternator whine. Had everything grounded correct to chassis and re-grounded radio and equalizer. Added a RCA noise filter to the radio and an inline noise filter to the equalizer along with these Stinger 8000 series RCAs, and no more whine at all. I'd like to say it was just from the RCA swap, but I installed the inline noise filter at the same time. So for anyone that has this issue, try the setup I did and you shouldn't hear any more engine whine in your speakers. Didn't have it in my sub. Only the 4-channel for the highs mids. Excellent shielding. Sturdy construction. I had previously installed some Stinger Select RCA cables and found that they were picking up electronic communication noise in my 2001 BMW M5, beeps, clicks, etc. After installing these 8000 series cables in the exact same pathway, the noises are completely gone. The shielding on these cables appears to be considerably better, for just a few dollars more. Also, the construction of these is much nicer than the Select series. The main cable has a black mesh covering that makes running the cable very easy. Connections are very tight and secure. My only regret? I wish I had purchased these in the first place.